The use of artificial intelligence has become increasingly prevalent in our society, with applications ranging from healthcare to finance. However, the idea of artificial intelligence using a ouija board may seem far-fetched and even controversial. In this video, we will explore the potential ways in which artificial intelligence can use a ouija board and the implications of such use. Firstly, it is important to understand what a ouija board is and how it works. A ouija board, spelled O-U-I-J-A, is a combination of the word yes in French and yes in most of Eastern Europe. It is a flat board with letters, numbers, and other symbols printed on it. It is used as a tool for communicating with spirits or the deceased. Participants place their fingers on the planchette and move a heart-shaped piece of wood or plastic which moves around the board to spell out messages from the spirits. Now imagine an AI system that is programmed to interpret and respond to messages from the ouija board. This AI system could potentially analyze the movements of the planchette and translate them into text or speech. It could also use natural language processing to understand messages being spelled out and respond accordingly. One potential application of using AI and a ouija board is the field of paranormal research. Researchers could use the AI system to communicate with spirits and gather information about the afterlife or supernatural phenomena. This could lead to a better understanding of the unknown and potentially provide comfort to those who have lost loved ones. However, there are also potential ethical concerns with AI using a ouija board. Now, some may argue that communicating with spirits is a violation of religious or cultural beliefs. Additionally, there is the possibility that the AI system could be manipulated or hacked, leading to false or harmful information being communicated. In conclusion, while the idea of using AI using a ouija board may seem unconventional, there are potential applications and implications to consider. As with any new technology, it is important to weigh the benefits and risks before implementing it. Ultimately, the decision to use AI with a ouija board should be made with very careful consideration and respect for cultural and ethical beliefs. The use of technology to contact the supernatural has been a topic of interest for centuries. With the rise of artificial intelligence and voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, the question arises, can these technologies be used to contact the supernatural? In this essay, we will explore the potential ways in which AI can be used to contact the supernatural and the implications of such use. Firstly, it is important to understand what is meant by the term supernatural. The supernatural refers to phenomena that cannot be explained by the natural laws of science, such as ghosts, spirits, and other paranormal entities. The very idea of using artificial intelligence to contact the supernatural is based on the belief that these entities can communicate with the living through various means, including technology. One potential of AI in contacting the supernatural is through the use of chatbots and voice assistants. These technologies are designed to respond to user input and can be programmed to respond to specific questions or prompts. By programming a chatbot or voice assistant to respond to questions related to the supernatural. Users may be able to receive messages or guidance from the other side. However, there are also potential ethical concerns with using AI to contact the supernatural. Some may argue that attempting to communicate with the dead is a violation of religious or cultural beliefs. Additionally, there is a possibility that the AI system could be manipulated or hacked, leading to false or harmful information being communicated. Another potential application of AI in contacting the supernatural is the use of machine learning algorithms. These algorithms are designed to learn from data and can be trained to recognize patterns or anomalies in data relating to the supernatural. By analyzing data related to paranormal activity, machine learning algorithms may be able to identify patterns or messages from the other side. In conclusion, while the idea of using AI to contact the supernatural may seem unconventional, there are potential applications and implications to consider. As with any new technology, it is important to weigh the benefits and risks before implementing it. Again, ultimately, the decision to use AI to contact the supernatural should be made with careful consideration and respect for cultural and ethical beliefs. The idea of communicating with ghosts or spirits has been a topic of interest for centuries as well. While some may dismiss the idea as a superstition or fantasy, others believe that it is possible to communicate with the dead. In this video, we will explore some of the potential ways to talk to ghosts and the implications of such communication. Firstly, it is important to understand that there is no specific evidence to support the existence of ghosts or spirits. However, many people believe that they have had experiences that suggest the presence of supernatural entities. Some of these experiences include hearing voices or seeing apparitions. One potential way to talk to ghosts is through the use of a Ouija board. A Ouija board, again, is a flat board with letters, numbers, and other symbols printed right on it. Participants place their fingers on the planchette, a heart-shaped piece of wood or plastic, which moves around the board to spell out messages from the spirits. While using a Ouija board, be aware it's controversial. Some may argue that it's dangerous. Others believe that it is a legitimate way to communicate with the dead. Another potential way to talk to ghosts is through the use of electronic voice phenomena. EVP is a technique used to capture voices or sounds that are believed to be from the other side. This technique involves recording audio in a location where paranormal activity has been reported and then analyzing the recording for any unusual sounds or voices. Additionally, some people believe that they can communicate with ghosts through meditation or other spiritual practices. By quieting the mind and focusing on the presence of the supernatural, some individuals claim to be able to receive messages or guidance from the other side. However, it is important to note that attempting to communicate with ghosts or spirits can be dangerous and may have negative consequences. Some may argue that attempting to contact the dead is a violation of religious or cultural beliefs. Additionally, there is the possibility that the messages received may be false or harmful. In conclusion, while the idea of talking to ghosts may seem unconventional, there are potential ways to communicate with the dead. As with any paranormal activity, it is important to approach the subject with caution and respect for cultural and ethical beliefs. Ultimately, the decision to attempt to communicate with ghosts should be made with careful consideration and an understanding of the potential risks and consequences. If you like this shit, if you like these videos, if you do, and you know someone who might like them as well, please share it to them. Click like, please subscribe, and then comment, I subscribe.